It's been boiling this week, and I have no doubt some of you have been sweating like a prostitute in church. So let me introduce you to some ice cream cocktails. Today I'm going to be making 3 American cocktails which are linked to 3 different places in the United States. We're going to kick off by making the Aspen Crud, which hails from the state of Colorado. Start this off by adding 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of a bourbon whiskey of your choice, to your shaker. Then add 4 ounces of a decent quality vanilla ice cream. And excuse the hands, I'm making this for myself, but if you're making it for other people, please don't use your hands. Blend this until it's smooth. The Aspen Crud can trace its roots back to Prohibition, which killed off all the local bars and saloons. Having a population of hard-drinking miners, the Jerome Bar had an ingenious idea of operating as a soda and fountain bar, where the miners could order a vanilla milkshake with the addition of crud, which was a code for whiskey. Then you want to pour this into a double rocks glass. Garnish this with cherries or just leave it the hell alone. Next up we have the Hummer, which hails from Detroit, Michigan. Now I like Detroit as my favourite American football team is the Lions. Let's kick this off by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45 ml of rum. A lot of people prefer to use white rums, but I'm using the Dom Q Gold here. Then add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of Kahlua or a coffee liqueur of your choice. Then add 4 ounces of vanilla ice cream and blend until it's a smooth consistency. And excuse the hands, I'm making this for myself, but if you're making it for other people, please don't use your hands. The Hummer was created by Jerome Adams in 1968 at Detroit's Bayview Yacht Club and was a massive hit with the sailing community. It's a very popular cocktail in the state. Serve this up in a double rocks glass. Traditionally there doesn't appear to be garnishes with this, but I'm going to add 3 coffee beans. Now lastly we're going to finish off with the Frozen Grasshopper. The Grasshopper is a classical cocktail which hails from New Orleans, Louisiana. Add to your shaker 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of Creme De Menthe. Then add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of Creme De Cacao. I'm going to lengthen this by adding 2 ounces, that's 60 ml milk. I suggest you use a single or double cream instead though. Then add 8 ounces of vanilla ice cream. And excuse the hands, I'm making this for myself, but if you're making it for other people, please don't use your hands. Then blend to a smooth consistency. Please don't use an immersion blender like I used here. The Frozen Grasshopper doesn't have much history. The original cocktail hails from Tijan's Bar around 1918-1919. I have a great version of this drink on my channel which I previously made, and I'll link it in the description. Pour into a milkshake glass and then garnish with grated dark chocolate. The taste test. The Aspen Crud is an excellent choice of whiskey fans, and you should all try this. I can imagine sitting by a roaring fire at a ski lodge and drinking this while it's snowing outside. The Hummer. Well, I think we have a winner here. This has White Russian elements, which are always a crowd pleaser, and the rum brings some soul to the proceedings. The Frozen Grasshopper. Firstly, I'm not keen on the colour. It looks like pistachio ice cream or a relative's bathroom from the 1970s. I suggest using a white coloured vanilla ice cream or add in half cream, half ice cream. The taste isn't bad, but I'm going to go back to the drawing board with this one.